Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapas comics and novels app. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here this page, you will search about the application of Tapas and you will click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.